Take a ride in the 2019 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers. Come take a test drive today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.